Hello, hello. What are today's messages? And what do we need to hear today? Within you, there is a stillness and a sanctuary to which you can retreat at any time and be yourself. Action. Whenever you get a moment of quietness, don't turn to any electronic devices. Instead, stay in the moment and practice your favorite mindfulness ritual. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's try this one. Keep a healthy distance from people who leave you feeling ... Yeah. I don't regret what I did for some people, but you won't catch me doing it again. Sometimes you just need to cancel your subscription to people's issues. Oh, yes. Your taste in people will change when you learn to love yourself. And the last one today. Everything happening in your life results from the way you treat yourself through thoughts, words, and actions. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.